Melies AI screenwriting software just dropped, and if you're wondering whether it's the next big thing for screenwriters or just another overhyped tool, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful AI software, and trust me, it's packed with features that could revolutionize your screenwriting process. Stick around, because I'll be giving you an honest review, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to expect. First off, Melies AI screenwriting software is designed to simplify the entire script writing process. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, the software helps you generate compelling narratives, dialogue, and plot structure with minimal effort. But here's the kicker. It's built to adapt to your unique writing style, meaning it doesn't just spit out generic content. The more you use it, the more it learns and tailors its suggestions to suit your voice. One of the standout features is the AI's ability to suggest plot twists and character developments based on the themes and genre you choose. If you're stuck on how to advance your story, Melies AI has got your back. It doesn't just help with formatting or grammar, it actively guides you through the creative process, offering recommendations that keep your plot fresh and engaging. This is huge for screenwriters who get writer's block or struggle with brainstorming. Another huge advantage of Melies AI screenwriting software is its real-time collaboration feature. If you're working in a team or just need feedback on your screenplay, you can share the script, get instant suggestions, and tweak things on the fly. It makes remote collaboration so much easier, and for those who work with producers or co-writers, this could save hours of back and forth. The character development tool is one of the most impressive aspects of the software. It helps you build rich, multidimensional characters by suggesting traits, motivations, and backgrounds. You can also generate dialogue that stays true to each character's voice, avoiding the trap of generic or flat interactions that can ruin your script. If you're someone who values structure in your screenplays, Melies AI makes sure you follow industry standards, offering built-in templates for different screenplay formats, like feature films, TV pilots, and even short films. It ensures your work adheres to professional guidelines, saving you time in the editing phase. But what about customization? This software allows you to tweak settings to fit your preferences, including tone, pacing, and even specific plot elements. If you want to write in a certain genre, be it thriller, romance, or sci-fi, you can adjust the AI's approach to suit that genre's conventions, ensuring your script doesn't just look good, but feels authentic. Finally, let's talk about the learning curve. Melies AI is surprisingly easy to use, especially considering how advanced it is. The interface is intuitive, and you won't find yourself spending hours figuring out how to navigate the software. This makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced screenwriters who want to get straight into the creative flow without distractions. Now, before we wrap up, I've got to mention this. You can actually try Melies AI screenwriting software completely free from the first link in the description below, so if you're curious, there's no risk in giving it a shot. If you've been struggling with writer's block or want to speed up your screenwriting process, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. I've tested thousands of AI software tools, and I'm confident that Melies AI stands out for its ability to guide you through the creative process. You can check out my recommended AI tools in the description, and trust me, after experimenting with so many, I've found the ones that actually deliver. So, what do you think? Will you be trying Melies AI for your next screenplay? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for your free trial.